everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jody and I'm here to help you navigate the confusing world of beauty with honest reviews and advice. If you're in the US, I hope you had a wonderful holiday, relaxing Memorial Day weekend. I was excited because I got to spend this weekend getting ready for my upcoming segment on NBC's King 5 New Day Northwest. You guys know I love doing this show. I do it about once a month where we talk about beauty. It's a beauty segment. If you want to be part of the fun, you don't have to live in Seattle to get King 5 on TV. You can stream the show on king5.com and it will air Wednesday the 29th at 11 a.m. This is going to be a fun one. We're talking about new affordable beauty, and the products I share on the show on Wednesday will be the same products I use in this Friday's video to do an easy, quick summer tutorial. So be sure to tune in to King 5 on Wednesday for the show, and then catch me here on YouTube on Friday. We're also going to do a fun beauty quiz, so test your beauty knowledge, and I didn't use any of the questions that I shared with you guys on makeup or skincare in the prior two videos. Also, there's more ways for us to connect. You can follow me on Instagram at jody.manis_, and I have started a TikTok channel after many years of not. So if you want to check me out on TikTok, it's also Jody Manis. Getting into today's video, let's tackle a topic that affects many of us, beauty product scams. They do exist and they can be pretty convincing, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll expose some pretty common beauty product scams and give you the tools that you need to avoid them. So let's get started. First up is the alluring miracle product. You know, the ones that promise to erase wrinkles overnight and make you look 10 years younger in less than a week. If you're over 50, you know how this goes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Real effective skincare takes time and consistency. You want to look out for exaggerated claims and be sure to check the ingredient list. If the main ingredients, and those are often listed in the top 5 ingredients, are not backed by science, it's most likely a scam. This next one is really frustrating for me because I see it all the time. That's fake reviews and endorsements by influencers. And I'm in the industry that has helped create this problem, so I want to help create the solution or not have the problem exist at all. While there are many trustworthy influencers out there, some are paid to promote products regardless of how effective they are. So be wary of products with an overwhelming number of very positive reviews, especially if they all sound familiar. Cross-check reviews across multiple platforms and look for balanced and detailed feedback. And remember that just because a product is good for an influencer doesn't mean it's the right product for you or your skin type. Now let's talk about counterfeit beauty products. Counterfeit products are another major issue. They look like the real deal, but are often made with subpar and sometimes harmful ingredients. To avoid fake or counterfeit products, always buy from authorized retailers or the brand's website. If a deal for a product seems too good to be true, it probably is. We've all seen those websites where you can get an authentic Louis Vuitton bag for a couple $100s, when in reality they cost a couple $1,000s. That same level of counterfeit product runs rampant through the beauty industry as well. So check for signs of tampering, unusual packaging, and different smells or scents of the product than what you're used to. I had this happen to me. I bought from a seller that I hadn't normally bought from on Amazon, and I bought a big bottle of Kerastase shampoo. I love Kerastase, and I would love to have a bigger bottle in my shower so that my husband can use it just as easily as I can with the pump, and off you go, because they typically come in small little containers. So I purchased this shampoo, and the minute I opened that shampoo, the consistency was not the thick, rich, pearl iridescent color that I know Kerastase is because I've used it for literally decades. So watch out for that. I should have known not to purchase such an expensive, it was a big one, so it was expensive. I should have known not to purchase such an expensive product from a seller that I had never used before. There was a lot of positive reviews and I should have known better. Number 4, subscription traps. Beware of subscription traps. These often start out as a free trial. You just pay the shipping costs. But in the fine print, you might be agreeing to a monthly subscription that is really difficult to cancel. Before signing up for any free trial, read the terms and conditions really carefully. Look for clear information on how to cancel this subscription, and be wary of companies that make it difficult to cancel or don't share with you exactly how you can cancel your subscription. Now let's talk about misleading ingredients. Misleading ingredients are also a big problem. Terms like organic, natural, and hypoallergenic are not regulated terms, so they don't always mean what we expect them to mean. Look for certifications from reputable organizations and do your own research on the ingredient list. Apps and websites like the Environmental Working Group can help you decipher what's really in your products. Finally, let's go over some red flags to look out for. Number one is over-the-top claims without scientific proof. I've shared a few products on my channel where I shared with you the claim, what the product says it can do, erase under eye areas in just a few minutes, and then when we put the product to the test, it didn't really work as miraculously as the ad led us to believe that it would. Another red flag is a poorly designed website with hard to find contact information. If the website only has 1 or 2 pages and looks as though it's been created really quickly, that could be a red flag. Another red flag is to look for websites where the products are always dramatically reduced in price. So for example, if a product says it's $100 with a slash and then it's only $14.95 and every product has that much of a decrease in its rates, then it's probably either not a great product or it could be a scam website just to get your contact information. While we're talking about sales, companies and brands that offer flash sales and limited time offers all the time are typically a scam, whether the price is already increased so that the lower price is still too high, or it creates a sense of pressure, like you must get it right now to get this deal. We see that sales tactic often, and more times than not, either the product is a scam or the website itself is a scam. And the word scam doesn't mean that they're going to take your personal information and have some scandalous process. But a scam could be something as simple as you spending your money and not getting the product or the quality of the product that you expect. Another red flag is lack of transparency of what the ingredients are and or where the ingredients are sourced. If it's difficult to find either of those two answers, then I would be wary and only stick with products that you can see what the ingredients are, identify what those products are, and where the products are made. And there you have it. I hope this video is helpful in helping you navigate through what can sometimes be murky waters in beauty products. We know that knowledge is power, and whether we like it or not, the older we get, the more susceptible and the bigger target we become for scammers. Being an informed consumer is the best way to help protect ourselves. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest beauty reviews and advice. And let me know in the comments if you or someone you know have fallen for a beauty scam and how you dealt with it. I'll see you guys in just a couple days. Stay beautiful and stay safe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, X, and TikTok for daily beauty news updates. I'll see you in just a couple days. Bye-bye.